In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively access and utilize the Microsoft Admin or Copilot dashboard to gain insights into usage reports and user activity. This process is straightforward and immensely beneficial if you're looking to enhance productivity within your organization through data-driven decisions. First, let's talk about accessing the Microsoft Admin or Copilot dashboard. This is your command center for managing user activities and monitoring productivity across your team or organization. Start by logging into your account with the appropriate credentials. Ensure you have admin permissions, as these are crucial to accessing the full features of the dashboard. Once inside, you're greeted by a wealth of tools designed to help you manage your team's digital workspace efficiently. Next, navigate to the usage reports section. You can do this by exploring the sidebar or top navigation menu, depending on the version or customization of your dashboard interface. The usage reports are indispensable for understanding how resources are being utilized across your organization. They offer a detailed breakdown, allowing you to pinpoint the areas where you might need to provide additional resources or training. Now, let's delve into reviewing user activity and feature engagement. In this part of the dashboard, you gain valuable insights into how your team is interacting with the available tools and resources. This might include data on which applications are most frequently used or how often certain features are accessed. Such information is critical in identifying areas of high engagement or, conversely, those elements not being leveraged effectively. By assessing this data, you can better tailor training programs or allocate resources to improve both individual and team productivity. As you explore the dashboard, it's important to focus on generating analytics for productivity insights. Here, you're going to pull together all the data from usage reports and user activities to create a comprehensive picture of productivity within your organization. With these analytics, you can identify trends, inefficiencies, and opportunities. For instance, you might discover that certain tools are underutilized, indicating a potential need for further employee training or even reevaluating your software investments. Remember that while this process is data-driven, it's vital to couple the insights you gain with thoughtful action. Data without analysis is just numbers. It's the way you interpret and use this information that will ultimately drive change and improve performance across your organization. As you generate your analytics, take notes and consider how each insight can be implemented practically. To wrap up, effectively using the Microsoft Admin